Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Honor X5b. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can select the default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in, or you can click not now, and you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and here you can select turbo placement, or you can just click save and start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.